The luxury SUV segment is packed with impressive choices, but the 2027 Volvo XC90 hybrid continues to stand out by combining Scandinavian elegance, advanced technology, and powerful electrified performance. Volvo has refined its flagship three-row SUV once again, creating a vehicle that delivers premium comfort while embracing a more sustainable future. From the moment you see the 2027 XC90 hybrid, its sophisticated design makes a strong impression. The front fascia features Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, which give the SUV a distinctive and modern appearance. A redesigned grille and updated front bumper enhance the vehicle's premium look while improving aerodynamic efficiency. Along the sides, clean body lines emphasize the XC90's Scandinavian styling philosophy. Large alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents add a touch of luxury without appearing overly aggressive. At the rear, the signature vertical LD taillights remain a defining design element, while updated trim details create a fresh and contemporary appearance. The overall design is refined, confident, and unmistakably Volvo. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the exceptional craftsmanship that has become a hallmark of the XC90. The cabin feels spacious, airy, and incredibly luxurious. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and soft touch surfaces, create an upscale environment for both drivers and passengers. The three-row seating configuration offers comfortable accommodation for up to 7 occupants, making it an excellent choice for families and long-distance travelers. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 XC90 hybrid. The latest infotainment system features a large touchscreen display with improved responsiveness and a more intuitive user interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A premium audio system delivers outstanding sound quality, while multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging ensure all passengers stay connected. Volvo's advanced driver assistance technologies provide additional peace of mind, offering features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Under the hood is where the 2027 Volvo XC90 hybrid truly shines. The plug-in hybrid powertrain combines a turbocharged and supercharged gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor, producing an impressive 455 horsepower. This setup delivers strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, making the large SUV feel surprisingly agile. Whether you're merging onto the highway or overtaking slower traffic, the XC90 hybrid responds with confidence and authority. The electric motor also allows for quiet, emission-free driving during shorter trips. Many daily commutes can be completed using electric power alone, helping reduce fuel consumption and environmental impact. When both power sources work together, drivers enjoy excellent performance without sacrificing efficiency. The advanced all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability in various weather conditions, making the XC90 a capable companion throughout the year. Ride quality remains one of the XC90's strongest attributes. The suspension is tuned to provide a smooth and composed driving experience, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Steering is precise and predictable, while excellent cabin insulation keeps outside noise to a minimum. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the interstate, the XC90 hybrid delivers a relaxed and comfortable ride. As for pricing, the 2027 Volvo XC90 hybrid is expected to start at approximately $78,000 in the United States, with higher trim levels and optional packages pushing the price beyond $90,000. While it sits firmly in the luxury SUV category, buyers receive an impressive combination of performance, efficiency, advanced technology, and premium craftsmanship. The 2027 Volvo XC90 hybrid proves that luxury, practicality, and sustainability can coexist in one remarkable package. With 455 horsepower, a beautifully crafted interior, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding comfort, it remains one of the most compelling luxury hybrid SUVs on the market today.